Hi friends, this video shows how to do factory reset. Please don't forget to subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video. Go to settings, tap on the settings app icon. Go down, set general management. Go down, set reset. Go down. Here we can see factory data reset. Tap on factory data reset. Tap here. Then tap on reset. Here we should be careful because this operation would delete all data from your phone, your videos, audio files, photos, accounts, apps, everything it will delete. So you should be careful. If you are okay with this deletion, you can tap on reset, then tap on delete all. So this way we can factory reset. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please check it.